All right, today we're pulling off fender on this 2013 Toyota Sienna. I'm assuming it's probably going to be similar to most of the late 2000s vans. So of course you're going to need to pull the front wheel off first, and then we are going to pull off this inner fender splash guard up in here. We got screws right up here that we need to pull off, and then you got clips. It's hard to see there, but all up around in there. What's that showing up? Okay, so like these clips here, you can see it's got that notch. So just kind of stick a screwdriver in that notch and kind of twist it a little bit, see that it just popped. And we got a few bolts to pull out here. You can see one back here. This is a 10 millimeter. One here, here. There's a few more back here. So we'll get those out now. Okay, then up under the front of the bumper cover here, looks like we got 4 more bolts we got to pull out. Looks like they're 10 millimeter also. And then looks like one more thing is where we pulled these screws out. We need to pull out these retainers that they screwed into here. Looks like you better expect to replace those. They're just getting torn up trying to get them out, so expect to get new ones or use something else in there to put it back on. Okay, so this should just pull out now. Now next, this trim panel down here, we need to drop that so we get access to a bolt that's back under there. So if we look under it, we just got some more of those clips that you gotta use the screwdriver just to pry them out. So we'll just go down the line until we can get this to drop out of our way. We don't need to take the whole thing off. Right there, you see that tab? So once you get those bottom clips out, what you gotta do, that pushes in there and snaps. You just gotta pull out on the trim piece to unsnap those. So you just pull out and that'll pop out. Okay, I got that trim panel pulled out enough to where we just pull this down and then get access to that bolt back there. All right, next we're gonna need to remove the grill. So it's just some more of those clips that you just pry up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I do believe once you get those out, you just pull straight out and the whole grill just pop right out. So we'll do that. Okay, so now I gotta remove the headlight. There is, right down there's a bolt, and then right up here is a bolt. So we'll pull those. Okay, we're also gonna need to loosen this bumper cover from the fender, and all you do is, once you got, there's one screw which is right here, which we pulled out to get the inner fender splash shield out. So once that's out, you just gotta kind of pull and it'll pop loose. Okay. Like that. Okay, once that bumper cover's loose from the fender, see there's a bolt there and another one there. Those got to come out to get this black piece off because there's a bolt behind it that we got to get out. Okay, and then that black piece there, there's a tab. Right there. You need to push that in as you pull out to get this black piece off. Okay, now we got that black piece off. You see there's two bolts back there we got to pull now. Okay, now inside the door, got a bolt there. And then it looks like there's a bolt. All right, now up on top, got one here and then another one back here. I'll take those out. Okay, gotta remove the grill. It should just pop out. Now these are gonna have to remove, there's three, one here, here, and here. We need to pull those so we can get the bumper to slide out a little bit, so do that. Okay, and then we got one more bolt. It's up under this piece. Need to pop this off. Okay, there it is. On this end, I just had to pull up, and then right here, you can kind of see this tab. I just had to kind of push down and then pull out to get that out, and then there's a bolt right there. Okay, when you usually pull this off, it's gonna be tough. You're gonna have to sit there and kind of up and down and pull because they've got it glued right here, so you're gonna have to break that loose. All right, that's how you take the fender off.